Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. So, if Chrome won't open a website and keeps showing this message, here are a few simple fixes you can try. First, close Google Chrome completely and reopen it. Then try opening the website again. If the error is still there, the next thing we're going to check is your proxy settings. Open the Start menu and search for Proxy Settings. Click Proxy Settings to open it. Scroll down to the Manual Proxy Setup section. If Use a Proxy server is turned on and you don't intentionally use a proxy, turn it off. Then return to Chrome and try loading the website again. If that doesn't work, the next fix is to reset your network settings. Right-click the network or Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar and open Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and select Advanced Network Settings. Then look for Network Reset. Open it and click Reset Now. Windows will warn you that your network adapters will be removed and reinstalled. Confirm the reset. Your computer may restart automatically, or Windows may ask you to restart it. After your PC restarts, reconnect to your Wi-Fi or Ethernet network and test the website again. If the problem is still there, you can also try changing your DNS settings. Open the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel, then go to Network and Internet. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click your active Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Then click Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, also called TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. You can try using a public DNS server such as 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes. Then close the remaining windows and try loading the website again in Chrome. You can also restart your router if multiple websites or devices are having connection problems. And that's how to fix the "This site can't be reached" error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.